Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now we'll be discussing about the lowercase file names. Use lowercase file names in case you want to select your files. Some web servers like Apache or Unix are case sensitive about file names. If you want to select anything that is having London, it should be london.jpg in lowercase. Cannot be accessed as capital letter L London.jpg. Other web servers like Microsoft IIS are not case sensitive. You can load any document like that is having london.jpg and can be accessed as london capital letter .jpg. So you should be aware of that. Be careful when you are trying to select your file. The name there, always use small letter. It's very good when you are trying to select file names. If you use a mix of upper and lowercase, you have to be aware of this. If you move from a case insensitive to a case sensitive server, even small errors will break your web. To avoid these problems, always use lowercase file names. That's what I want to tell you guys. Like for example, when I want to select something.js file right here, as you can see, I use lowercase. If you use capital letter right here, there are some server, they will never take it from you. Some servers will never take it from you. So it's working on HTML, but some server will never take it from you. That's what I want you to know. And to the next, anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next.